Hello, my name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. We've made it. Can you believe it? Today is day 5 of Empowered, your 5-day walking journey. And my friend, I want to let you know that this is not the end of our journey at all together. Stay tuned to the end of this video where I'm going to share some very exciting news where we can connect a little deeper online. Today's mantra is I am unstoppable. Let's make this happen. I'm going to meet you back here, slip on your sneakers, and we're going to get started. Let's go. Go. All right, my friend, here we are. We're walking in place, home base, back to this place. I'm going to set my watch and we are going to make it happen today. I am so proud of you for pressing play, starting this workout. Like I always say, making that commitment is the hardest part. So pressing play, you're here, you made it, and you're ready to rock and roll. Just like me, these 10 minutes are going to fly by, I promise. And yeah, just check in. Check in with your body. Where's your breath here? Where are your thoughts? Can you be a little bit more present, grounding here, centering yourself? And just explore. See where things go. We've been through a lot in the last 5 days, right? We've really made that positive change in our lives. And I really want from you to take away that from this journey is how proud you are of yourself, and I'm so proud of you. I'd love for you to share with all of your friends and your family. Let them know you just walked 5 days in a row, 10 minutes a day. That's about half a mile. So right there, you just walked about 2.5 miles in 5 days. That's incredible. Keep that momentum going. I am unstoppable. You can yell that out loud if you need to, and believe that in your heart. You know, you have the ability to create anything you want in your life. And this is just one start, one stepping stone. All right, let's get the legs going. Go ahead and step it out, side steps. Walking back and forth. Nice job. Move your body. Check it out. See if it's different than yesterday. How's your body feel? You feel sore? You feel toned? I hope you feel strong and powerful and capable of accomplishing anything you set your mind out to do. We are 3, 2, and 1. Return to your walk. You know we have these 4 basic moves. We just did 2 of them. Let's get the other couple in. Working on this warm up. There we go. We're going to lift the leg. Lift the leg. Yeah. Today, maybe elbow comes towards that opposite knee. A little crunch, a little tummy tuck, like a standing crunch here. Be mindful in your movements. Don't just clunk through and power through these. Really focus where you feel that. Feel in your thighs, maybe your upper body, maybe in your core. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out and breathe. Nice job. And the last move, give me a kick. Kick and kick. Opposite hand reaches towards opposite toes. Torso rotation here. Nice job. Power through. Feel empowered today. Feel strong and confident. And length through your spine. Crown of the head reaches a little taller for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Check in on your breath and blow out that air. You might take your talk test here. Yeah. Where are we? About 3 minutes in. You got this? Nice. Take some big circles with the arms. Up and overhead. Take up as much space in this room as you possibly can. Nice job. Maybe opposite arm in front every once in a while. And you can reverse when you're ready. Activate through the shoulders, the upper back body. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Widen your stance and just walk here. What's that do to your back end muscles? Feel those glutes activate. Just bring the feet back together. Ooh, yeah. Get those arms going. Maybe bring the knees up a little higher. Widen your stance for me. Nice job. We're gonna take a knee lift. So when the knee comes up, maybe you make a little motion where you're like framing your knee with your arms. Oh yeah. If the arms are too much, you can just have them by your sides or on your hips. It's up to you. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. Don't stop there. Go ahead and walk it out, but we're gonna add one more element to that. I wanna challenge you, and I know you're here on day 5, you're up for a challenge, right? Feel strong, capable, confident in your body. At any stage, any season of life, right? That's really the name of it. Active aging. Creating that vitality at any age. Nice job. All right, I'm gonna challenge you. Check it out. Join me when you're ready. Doubles. Nice. So double knee lifts. You might have your chair close by. Oh, yeah. Say to yourself, I am strong. Nice. I am unstoppable. We got 2 more. 2, and last side. Nice, walk it out. You're gonna feel that tomorrow, I promise. We are over halfway through, 5 minutes in. Move your body. Nice job. So I'm gonna show you our next move. It's like a little toe tap with a punch. Watch it, join me when you're ready. Here we go. We're gonna punch, tap the toe. Ooh. Yeah. Nice rotation, get a little lower if you need to. What I love about walking, an in-home walking workout like this, is it's a dynamic workout. We're moving all 3 planes of our body, opposed to walking in place, or not just walking in place, but like walking on a treadmill, where you're just walking in one movement, in one plane. Here we are. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Walk it out. So thinking of just these twists we do, and these different movements, it's so dynamic. We're activating all the muscles in our body here, including our heart, the most important muscle we have, right? Whew, I'm feeling it today. Walk it out. Give me some kicks. All right, kick and kick. Nice. Active aging, strengthening all of our muscles, toning and balancing, and building that confidence to pursue all your goals. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here. Walk. Ah, yeah. Nice job today. Keep it going. Find your breath. And take the feet wide. Oh man. What are we gonna do next? Let's take a kick back. So I'm just gonna kick and kick. So it's like you're kicking your bum. You know we wanna get those arms up. When the leg goes back, pull down, pull down. Yeah. Creating some strength. Positive change. I love it. For 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. Let's go forward and back. So we're gonna walk forward and back. Maybe use whatever space you have. Maybe 4 up and 4 back. See what works. Nice job. Let's do 2 more. Wherever you are. One more time up. And one more time back. And then come back here. Walk it out. All right, we're 8 minutes in. I want to finish strong. Give me 30 seconds on the clock. Walk as fast as you can. If you want to get your knees up like me, we're going to jog in place. Here we are. 3, 2, and 1. Get those knees up. Lift, lift, lift. Pump the arms. I know I said 30 seconds. You can take a break anytime. Nice job. Run in place. We are well over 15 seconds in. If you need to take a break, please do. You can tell my breath is really ragged right now, which is good. We got 5 seconds left. Keep checking in on your breath. Really pump here. Go for it. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. 30 seconds. Nice job. Go ahead and slow it down. We're going to keep walking. We've got 1 minute to go in our 5-day challenge. Congratulations, my friends. You are making it happen. Don't skip now. Don't stop now, right? Continue to grow. Find that progress. Make that change. Breathe. Let's get the arms up, down, out, and back. Strengthening everything you got. Give me it all. You finish strong, my friend. We're going to cross that finish line together. Whew. For 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, let it go. And guess what? We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Nice job. Big, big round of applause. We don't skip this cool down. Go ahead. Take a wide base of support here. Take the hands to the hips. Shoulders relax towards the back. Maybe elbows draw together. Lift your gaze. We're going to move into a forward fold. Big breath in. Hinge at your hips. Fold over the legs. Soften and bow here. And then find a breath or two. You don't have to go super deep. You can see I'm just going halfway today. Nice stretch for the back of the legs. Length through the spine. Maybe drop the chin to the chest and roll out of there, 1 vertebrae at a time. Nice job. Find a wall or something you can stand by. We'll do a little hamstring stretch. We grab the opposite leg. Pull that hip towards your bum. If that's too much, you might just bring that knee up. Nice. And then from here, we're going to stay on that leg. Go ahead and draw the knee into the chest. A little squeeze. Nice job. Shake it out. Remember which side you did and try it on the other side. So hamstring curl. Go ahead and reach towards the back of that heel. Maybe you just bend through the knee. Please have a wall or a piece of furniture close. And then we'll draw that knee into the chest and same thing. Maybe you can't hang on to the knee, but just stand here wherever you are. Meet yourself where you are today. Drop that, shake it all out, plant the feet, then take an angel breath, sweep the arms high. Exhale, release, and let it go. My friend, you are unstoppable. You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the progress we've made together, and I am so happy that you've committed to a healthy living wellness goal. And yeah, you're there. You're making it happen, and only you can do that. So proud. Big round of applause. Stick around. I got some information about something very exciting I have coming up for you in the near future. Great job today. I am so proud of you for making that commitment to sticking to 5 days of working out with me, and we did it. You are amazing. And I just want to let you know that this does not stop here. I am so excited to share with you, I am starting a new membership academy. It's called Emily's Wellness Academy, and it launches here in the coming days. So January 2025, if you're watching this in real time. In this academy, we're going to focus on building that strength, healthy reduction of stress, and so much more. I'm going to be offering 2 weekly 30-minute classes, so they can be live or you can watch after the replay, or I'll send you the replay. And then we'll also be offering live Q&As each month and some really hands-on stuff. So I really want to help you as you move forward in your wellness journey, and you're going to be backed by such a big community of other folks that are focused on healthy living as well. So yeah, don't stop now. The links to this information are going to be down in the comments below, so definitely check it out. You can learn a little bit more and sign up for the membership. It's going to be super, super low price right now. It will never be this low again, so the offer does not last very long. So sign up today, commit to your health. Let's create that positive change, and I cannot wait to get started. All right, my friend, I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.